Namaste everyone for the episode 27th of Patanjali Yoga series. Today we are learning deep into about the Samadhi. So in Samadhi, when we reach this state from Dharan, Dhyan, Samadhi, to the Dhyan and Samadhi are not like, watertight compartment. They are like merged from one to the other. But there are stages to understand in which level we are in Samadhi. We know that when you are actually in a Samadhi state, you'll not come to know about you can't share that experience, what happened in Samadhi, because there is no conscious awareness at that state. Okay, in 42nd shloka, Maharshi Patanjali tells about Tatra Shabda Artha Jnana Vikalpaihi Sankirna Savitarko Samapattihi. So, in Samadhi, there are two types. One is Sabij Samadhi and Nirbij Samadhi. Sabij Samadhi means when the mind is holding on one object, like if you are meditating on the Om, then Om is a seed here on which the mind is dwelling. Okay, that is Sabij Samadhi. From Sabij Samadhi, we go into the Nirbij Samadhi where there is no object only. The mind is not dwelling on something. It's completely that stage. From in Sabij Samadhi, we have a different layers of consciousness will open up. In that first is Savitark, Nirvitark, Savichar, Nirvichar, Asmita Anand. Like this, there are stages of Samadhi. So let us learn in this episode what is exactly the Savitarka Samadhi. Okay. So in this Savitarka Samadhi means in that state, on account of alternating consciousness between word, true knowledge and sense perception, the mixed state of mind is known as Savitarka Samadhi. Suppose you went into the stage of from Dhyan to the Samadhi, that means your subjective awareness has been taken off, you are completely merged with the object. But in that, when you are in that object also, suppose you are taken Om, मतलब आप Om पे meditate कर रहे हो, you are meditating on the Om, then the Om sound, the Shabda, Artha, what your knowledge that you are getting out of that Om, and Jnana, the meaning of the Om, the sound of the Om, and the knowledge what we are getting by meditating on that Om, that will be there. Our mind will be fluctuating in between these three things. That means maybe on Shabda, maybe on Artha, that means the knowledge, maybe on the meaning. The mind will be dwelling. Mind, suppose it is merged with the object, but still it is dwelling on these three things alternatively. That is called as Savitarka Samadhi. We can get in much more a deeper explanation, like if you are, suppose you are just meditating on the Shiva Linga. Okay, so what is the form of Shiva Linga? Okay, what is the meaning of Shiva Linga? After meditating on Shiva Linga, what is that knowledge that we are getting? So mind will be fluctuating in between these things. Okay, that's a beautiful state to be in. Of course, it's not like even though mind is dwelling in these three, but still mind is in absolute tranquil state, absolute peaceful state it will be in. That's about the Savitarka Samadhi. Next episode we will learn about the Nirvitarka Samadhi. That's the next stage of Savitarka. Okay, and I just want to know whether you are doing meditation every day, or whether you reached any state like this where subjective awareness has gone off. That means when a meditation, subject and object will be there. Whether you reach to a stage where subject, that means you has been vanished. आपने कभी ऐसा एक स्टेज को अगर आपने महसूस किया है, तो आई जस्ट लाइक टू नो अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ समाधि एंड ध्यान. That will help me to learn more about it. Okay, thank you.